Hello, my name is Natalie, welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my completed diamond painting kit from Hobby Lobby brand Studio Delight Camp Scene. So this kit was purchased at Hobby Lobby in April. It is their own brand, Studio Delight. Let's start with specification of the kit. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters. It came with 33 colors of acrylic drills. This kit included only acrylic drills, nothing else. No ABs, no special drills, no crystals. It came on a regular vinyl canvas, and it also had a poured glue as an adhesive. It was really very easy to diamond paint it. But I should admit that it had a lot of confetti, but still it was pretty fast for me to diamond paint it. I did a lot of customization when it comes to this kit. First of all, I replaced the I replaced the acrylic drills with crystals here on the windows of the house for the illusion of light. I also replaced some colors with ABs and with metallic drills on the tree. I also used crystal drills from Diamond Dots and jelly drills from my Make Market Tropical Drink kit in the water, because I really like the color blending and the texture of these drills. I think they're perfect for water, for showing the effect of water. And I replaced black drills over here under the boat with ABs from Diamond Dots. I'm pretty happy with my customizations. I think it looks gorgeous, although this area might look a little bit off, especially in comparison to this one, because this is the color that was supposed to be used in the middle of the water, of the creek, or whatever it is. I saw one of the girls replacing the drills on the water with silver crystals, and it looks fantastic. So I decided to implement it on my kit as well. And actually, I think that if I used the crystals all over the place when it comes to the water, it would look much better. But to tell you the truth, I absolutely forgot to use it over here, and I was too lazy to take out every single drill and replace it with ABs. With crystals. I just added a few accents over here on the bottom. I really love the detalization of the kit. Again, the size is pretty small, 16 by 20 inches, so 40 by 50 centimeters. But this kit has lots of detalization. A boat, 2 deer, 1 bear, a house, a creek, a lot of stones, rocks, right? Trees, bushes. It came out gorgeous. So I'm not sure if they hand charged their kits or not, but for the price, it cost around either $5 or $7 between this. It is amazing. It's way worth purchasing these kits, and they are way better than AliExpress kits, quality-wise and detalization-wise. And they're super cheap. I'm not sure why they're selling it so cheap. They definitely cost more than what Hobby Lobby is asking for it. So what I'm going to do now is to frame it, and we will see how it looks behind the glass. Stay with me. So I finally framed it, and that's how it looks behind the glass. What I love about it is the windows. Look at the windows. Don't you have the illusion of the light coming out of the windows, right? As if there is really an electric light or the candle light. That's gorgeous, but there is no light. These are the crystal drills that have such an effect. Beautiful. So that's how it looks. The frame is from Michaels. It was pretty cheap. It's always buy one get one free, or buy one get two or free. So in the end, you pay either $15 or $10 for the frame. It's made of compressed wood, but I love it. The detalization is amazing. The crystals in the house windows have the illusion of light coming out of them. Look, isn't it? Look at the windows. There is light, right? Gorgeous. And I also like the water in the creek. I wish I didn't forget and made it all with crystal drills, although the original drills also look fantastic, because the color combination is really very nice in this kit. That's what makes detalization also magnificent. gorgeous. I'm really in love with this kit, and it costs way more than $7 that I paid for it, or $5, I don't remember. Look at that. So if you're thinking of purchasing Studio Delight kits from Hobby Lobby, that's how one of them looks completed, and I really love it. The only thing that I do not like about their kits is their drills. They are acrylic, not resin, and I noticed that it doesn't matter how good the adhesive is, poor glue in this case scenario, the acrylic drills do not get stuck to the glue as good as resin drills. So while I was framing it, a few drills fall off because the glue doesn't keep them intact as well as it does a resin drill. So I wish they could switch to resin drills, and I'm even willing to pay a little bit more, but to work with resin drills like Diamond does, for example, or Diamond Art Club. But in any case, I'm really very happy. It looks fantastic. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.